Hey, welcome back to the Half Thumb Homestead. So we're doing a bathroom refresh here, changing out the hardware. And the problem I have here is whoever designed these decided that they would stop the drill hole for the threaded bolt like really short, like really small. They send you with these packages a 1-inch which sticks out too far. So when you tighten it up, let me show you here. When you put the knob on, that's as tight as a screw can go. So you're left with, I don't know, what is that, a 1/16 of an inch that isn't long enough? So these are 1 inch. So I went to the local hardware store because I needed it right now. And I bought a bag of 3/4. Well, guess what? The 3/4 doesn't even go all the way through. So you can't even get any threads. So to fix this issue, now this little bag of 832s was $1.50. So I just bought the zinc ones. I didn't need to buy the stainless steel. It's not going to get soaking wet, so it's not a big deal. $1.50. Because that's not going to work, I went and I purchased at the same time a pair of these wire strippers. Now, these are in the wire stripping department at the local hardware store. You can also get them on Amazon. I'll put the link down below so you can, if you need them, you can get them. And you can cut anywhere from a number 5 all the way to a 1032. Now, the different thread lengths, you can't cut in metric with this, just the standard SAE bolts. So let me show you how it works. So these are normally, when you buy SAE, they're going to be 1032. So this is the 1032 slot. And what you do is you thread the bolt in there. Actually, these are 832s, I'm sorry. So you thread the bolt in the 832. And it's going to come out the back. Now, you can't see how much you're cutting off. I'm pretty sure I need the thickness of the tool here. So I'm going to take one of the threads, the bolts they give me, I'm going to go to where it's flush, right here. It's flush, and then you just squeeze. There's the piece that comes off. The greatest thing about this is when you back this off, the thread that you bent while you were cutting it straightens itself out. Like a brand new bolt. So this is your 3/4. And notice it's just a little bit longer. And I know you're all wondering, no, this is not how I cut off my thumb using a bolt cutter. And this is the 1 inch that it comes with here. So that's about how much it was sticking out when we needed to cut the thread. So let's see if that fixed it. So we're going to take the knob. So it's sticking out. Look at that. Pretty nice, huh? And we can tighten it up. You want to make sure that you're not bottoming it out inside the knob. Now when you're putting these on, don't twist the knob to tighten it up. Get it to where it's touching the finish, hold it, and tighten the screw up. If you tighten up the knob, you'll scratch the finish on the cabinet. You don't got to monkey it down and make it super tight. I mean, you got to make it tight, but you just tight enough. And there we have, it doesn't wobble around. It's tight. So we'll do this with the other 3 knobs I need. And there's the finished product. And then that'll match the black finish of the faucets we're putting in. And it matches that there, the black in the glass. Again, any questions, comments down below? Like and subscribe. I will put all the tools I used in, probably not these knobs, but these are on clearance, in the description below. Thanks for watching. Half Thumb out.